Hello everyone, welcome to Team Lewis channel, and today in this short tutorial I'll show you how you can slow down or speed up your motherboard fan speed. So let's start this video. So now restart your PC. After that press delete key again and again when your PC restarting. Now press delete key again and again to open BIOS menu. So now here we have the option of Q fan control. So go into Q. So press Q fan control option, and now as you're watching here we have different type of here we here we can set our fan speed to faster or standard speed or silent mode or turbo mode. So from this menu you can change your motherboard's fan speed very easily. So keep this thing in your mind that this video is only for Asus motherboards, and I am recording this video in Asus H110MK motherboard. So after selecting speed, now close that tab and press save and exit. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.